Yes, good afternoon, my lovely students. How are you all? I hope everyone is good. Okay, students, so today we are going to continue our English grammar topic, that is tenses. So today we will discuss about the structure. Okay, we have already discussed in the class. Okay, so today we will revise again the structure and then we will do the exercise of this chapter. Okay, so let's start. Yes, we already know that there is a present tense. We already discussing about the present tense. So firstly, you know that the concept of tenses. Yes, you know that the tenses are the forms of verbs which express time of action. Yes, we can say as the tenses are used to denote time and action in a sentence. Clear that? Okay, so firstly, you know that the tenses are mainly divided into three categories as the present tense, past tense, and future tense. So firstly, we have to discuss the subcategory of present tense as a simple present. We can also say that a present indefinite tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, and present perfect continuous tense. So let's discuss the structure of these tenses one by one. Okay, number one is a simple present tense. Yes, what is the structure of simple present tense? Yes, this is the subject plus V1 plus object. Yes, this is the structure of as a if our subject is plural. If our subject is singular, we use as a subject plus V1 plus SES plus object. Okay. Second one is here present continuous tense. Yes, the structure of present continuous tense here we use as a firstly have to write as a subject plus is or am. According to a subject as we use as a is with a as a, if a subject is singular we use is, if a subject is plural we use are as a helping verb, and if a subject is I, अगर हमारा subject I है तो हम क्या use करते हैं as a helping verb am. After that we have to write as a V1 plus ing plus object. Clear? थर्ड वन इज हियर प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस. हम बात करें प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट की. यस, द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट. यस, एज अ सब्जेक्ट हैज है, दिस इज द हेल्पिंग वर्ब एंड V3 प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट. आपको हमेशा ध्यान में रखना है कि जब भी हम हैज यूज करते हैं उसके साथ हम V3 वर्ब की थर्ड फॉर्म यूज करते हैं. नेक्स्ट वन इज हियर प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस. इन द प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस द स्ट्रक्चर इज यस एज अ सब्जेक्ट प्लस हैज है प्लस बीन प्लस V1 प्लस ing plus object. Now you also mention a time here. Okay, after that we have to write as a since oblique for plus time. Okay, we have already discussed. Yes, student. Okay, so we will discuss one by one. As a simple present tense. If our sentence is an affirmative sentence, we use as a positive form. So here the structure is subject plus V1 plus SES. V1 के साथ हम क्या use करते हैं? SES. Okay, I plus object. तो देखते हैं हम according to the subject he, she, it. जहां भी हमारा subject होता है तो हमारे जो V1 के साथ हम क्या use कर रहे हैं? या तो हम S use करते हैं, ES करते हैं या IES करते हैं. Yes, we already discussed before. Yes, हमने डिस्कस कर चुके हैं इसके बारे में कि जब भी हमारा जो भी हम बात करते हैं इफ अ वर्ब एंड विद अ वाई, जब भी हमारी वर्ब वाई से एंड होती है उससे पहले वॉल होता है तो हम क्या यूज करते हैं? एस यूज करते हैं. जब भी एस एच होता है, डबल एस होता है तो उसके बाद जैसे एम आई डबल एस मिस, उसके साथ हम यूज करते हैं एज अ जब वर्ब फॉर्मेशन कर रहे हैं सब्जेक्ट सिंगुलर होगा तो मिस के साथ हम ई एस यूज करेंगे, है ना. तो ये हमने डिस्कस कर चुके हैं कि कहां पर हम एस यूज करेंगे और कहां पर हम ई एस आई एस यूज करते हैं. ओके, सेकेंड वन इज इफ अ सब्जेक्ट इज आई, व्यू, वी, दे. जहां भी हमारे सब्जेक्ट ये होते हैं तो हम यूज करते हैं V1 ओनली, हम यूज नहीं करते एस और एस. क्लियर? As a negative sentence, you notice that we use as a subject plus do oblique does plus not plus V1 plus object. देखिए do और does हम यूज करते हैं does किसके साथ? एज ए सिंगुलर के साथ, और do यूज करते हैं एज ए प्लूरल के साथ. Let's take an example of singular as a he, she, it. We use as a does not. As a subject is plural as a you, we, they, and I also here we use as a do not. Okay, student. Okay, so next one is here present continuous tense. Okay, yes, present continuous tense is a verb form of a sentence that tell us about ongoing actions. हमको बता रहे हैं कि इस समय जो action चल रहा होता है. Yes, you know that as a event or something that happened around us, जो चीज हमारे चारों तरफ अभी हो रही है. Yes, I would like to say that it is supposed to indicate an action going on at the time of speaking. Clear? Let's let's start the structure. As a positive form, affirmative sentence we write as a subject plus is rm, v1 plus ing plus object. You can say example, now you are dancing on the stage. You is here as a subject, r is here, we write as r as a helping verb. Why? Because r is here, you is here as a plural. Okay, so here we write as a r. So here हम use करते हैं r. You are dancing, dance is here as a verb, v1 के साथ हमने क्या use करा, ing, तो make a word dancing. You are dancing on the stage. Okay, now next one is here as a negative sentence as a subject plus is rm, helping verb use करते हैं. And you know that we always put not in number third position. So not is here in number third position. Subject plus is rm plus not plus verb plus ing plus object. Clear? So you are dancing on the stage. So make a negative sentence. You are not dancing on the stage. Clear that? Next one is here present perfect tense. Yes, present perfect tense. Yes, this is the structure of present perfect tense as a subject plus has oblique have plus v3 verb की थर्ड फॉर्म. yes plus object. आपको जैसे पता है verb की थर्ड फॉर्म जैसे हमने आपको बताई था, जैसे होती है verb होती है eat, play, cook. जैसे play की देते हैं play first form, second form played and third form is also played. go की होती है go, went, gone. gone क्या है verb की third form. Okay, so here we write as a v3. Okay, in a present perfect tense. Yes, he has completed the mission. So subject is here he. Okay, so here we use as a has or have. If the subject is singular, we use has. If the subject is plural, we use have. Okay, so here in this sentence, the subject is singular, he, we write as a has, and after that we write as a v3 completed. यहाँ पे क्या है, completed verb की third form है. So he had completed the mission. So let's change into a negative sentence. Always put the not in a number third position. Clear? The subject plus has oblique have plus not plus so v3 plus object. Here we write as a he has not completed the mission. आपको हमेशा ध्यान में रखना है, ये ट्रिकी है कि not हमेशा नंबर थर्ड पोजीशन पे आएंगे. चाहे आप प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट देख लीजिए, कंटिन्यूस देख लीजिए, परफेक्ट देख लीजिए, परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूस देख लीजिए, जहां भी हम जब चेंज करते हैं नेगेटिव सेंटेंस में हमेशा नॉट हमेशा नंबर थर्ड प्लेस पे ही होता है. ओके, so next one, present perfect continuous tense. Yes, the structure of present perfect continuous, subject plus helping verb. Helping verb is here has oblique have. Next one is here we write as a been plus next is verb plus ing plus object. Clear? You are also you have to write a mention here as a since or for according to a time. If the time is mentioned in this sentence, you have to write here as a time. Okay, let's start the example. I have been working on this since March. Okay, we have already discussed about the since or for. Since we use as a point of time and the for we use as a period of time. Okay, जहाँ particular हमको पता है कि इस समय पर वही काम हुआ है तो हम since use करते हैं. जहाँ पर duration of time की बात आती है, हमको नहीं पता कि वो 4 घंटे से पढ़ रहा है, 2 घंटे से सो रहा है, 3 घंटे से खेल रहा है ना, तो duration of time की बात आती है तो हम for use करते हैं. So in the number 1 sentence you notice that I have been working on this since March. मैं यहाँ पर काम कर रहा हूँ, कब से काम कर रहा हूँ, since March से. मेरे को पता है कि मार्च से कर रहा हूँ. This is the point of time. Point of time हमने use किया तो here we write as a since March. Okay, so okay, so you notice that the I के साथ हम क्या use करते हैं have. According to structure, subject we write subject I. After that we write have. Now next one is here we write been. Next one is a verb. Yes, verb क्या है, verb. Verb के साथ हमने ing use किया and now write this rest of the sentence on this since March. Clear? Now change into negative sentence. You must remember that the not we use as in the number third place. You have to write the structure subject plus helping verb has have plus not plus been. Okay, हमेशा ध्यान में रखना है नोट कौन पे यहाँ पे आ रहा है, नंबर थर्ड प्लेस पे हो रहा है. तो आफ्टर दैट वी हैव टू राइट been working on this since March. देखिए हम सेंटेंस में I have not been working on this since March. Okay, so this is the structure of these tenses. Yes, student, this is exercise number 1. So let's start the exercise. Complete the sentences with the correct form of the verbs given in the brackets. हमारे सामने sentences दे रखे हैं, verbs given हैं, हमको उसको sentence के according उस verb को use करना है. देखते हैं number 1. She dash a new guitar. तो verb is given here have. तो here we write have here. No, we write here as a has. क्यों हम has लिखेंगे? क्योंकि हमको पता है कि she क्या है, as a singular है. So here we write हैज। तो शी हैज, यहाँ पर हैज किसके लिए आया है, एक पोजीशन के लिए आया है ना। हैज और हैव हम यूज करते हैं एज ए प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट में भी यूज कर रहे हैं, लेकिन हैज और हैव का मीन्स क्या होता है कि कोई चीज का हमारे पास अधिकार है, वो चीज मेरी है, मेरा अधिकार है, उसमें मेरा पोजीशन है। सो हियर वी यूज एज अ हैज और हैव। आई हैव अ बुक, मेरे पास बुक है। आई हैव अ फोन, ओके, सो मेरे पास फोन है। You have a book, okay. Sita has a guitar, सीता के पास गिटार है, okay. So according to a subject we use has or have. According to a as a possession, कि हमारा उस चीज पर possession है तो हम क्या यूज करते हैं, has or have. Number second sentence, he dash to Paris every summer. Okay, now verb is given here, fly. तो here we write as a he. He के साथ हम fly यूज करेंगे. Yes, तो here we write as a verb flies. FLIES. Why we write here flies here? Because subject is singular. Singular का structure आपको जैसे पता ही है, V1 के साथ ऐसे yes यूज करते हैं. Number third sentence, it always dash on Monday. Yes, verb is here rain. तो rain है, always है, हमको पता चल रहा है, identify हो रहा है कि हमारा जो sentence है indefinite है. It always, here we write rains. RAINS. Clear? Number fourth sentence, you never dash with us. Yes, play. So here the verb is given here play. So you verb is here, you notice. तो you के साथ हम as a हमारा plural है, plural के साथ हम ऐसे yes use नहीं करते, तो we only write as a play. Clear? Next one is here, we dash what their plan is. We know, yeah, knows. Yes, we is here as a plural, so we don't use s or es in the with the verb. Yes, we write only know, KNOW. Clear, student? Okay, next one is here. Next exercise, complete the sentences with the present continuous tense of the verbs given in the brackets. आपको क्या करना है, present continuous tense जो verb है उसके according आपको use करना है. तो firstly we have to write the structure of present continuous tense. Yes, you know, subject plus is oblique are oblique m. आपको पता ही है ना, is singular के साथ are we use as a subject is plural and am we use with the I as a subject. Okay, is are am plus V1 verb key first form plus ing plus object. Clear, student? Okay, so let's start the exercise. Complete the sentence. हमको किसे करना है, with the present continuous tense. The first sentence, they dash at Chinese restaurant. So they eat. तो verb is given as a eat. तो they के साथ as a plural है, plural के साथ हम क्या यूज करेंगे, are. So they are. अब are के बाद हम क्या यूज करेंगे, स्ट्रक्चर के अकॉर्डिंग verb की फर्स्ट फॉर्म के साथ ing. eat है verb इधर given, तो eat के साथ हम क्या यूज करेंगे, ing. तो here we write EATING, eating. Okay, so they are eating the Chinese restaurant. Number second, you dash my time with your chatter. Okay, so you पहले आइडेंटिफाई करना है क्या है, you यहाँ पे एज ए प्लूरल है तो एक ओके, तो you के साथ हम क्या यूज करते हैं, yes are. तो you are now waste is here a verb, तो here we write wasting, ing यूज करते हैं ना, you are wasting my time with your chatter. Number third, Hari and Sarita dash to the party. तो Hari and Sarita, yes, Sarita plural हो गया ना, one then more है, तो here we write also are. Okay, now verb is here as a go, तो here we write as a going. तो Hari and Sarita are going to the party. Number fourth sentence, why dash you not dash this book? Okay, so देखिए क्वेश्चन फ्रेमिंग है, क्वेश्चन से WH वर्ड से स्टार्ट होता है, तो WH वर्ड से स्टार्ट होता है, तो उसके बाद हम यूज करते हैं एज अ हेल्पिंग वर्ब. तो why you, तो सब्जेक्ट यहाँ पर you है, तो you के अकॉर्डिंग हम यहाँ पर हेल्पिंग वर्ब यूज करेंगे, तो यहाँ पर हम यूज करेंगे are. क्लियर, क्योंकि हमारा सब्जेक्ट क्या है, you. ओके, सो why are you not, अब हम यूज करेंगे अपनी वर्ब पार्ट, तो वर्ब है रीड, तो हियर वी राइट रीडिंग, READING. Why are you not reading this book? Number fifth sentence, it dash for the last 2 hours. Yes, to it के साथ हम यूज करते हैं जनरली is. Okay, it is raining, RAINING. It is raining for the last 2 hours. Okay, student? Yes. Next exercise number 3. Yes, complete the sentences with the present perfect tense of the verbs given in the bracket. तो हमको use करना है as a present perfect. तो firstly you have to know about the structure of present perfect. Yes, so here we write structure. Here I am writing here subject, subject plus has इसका स्ट्रक्चर है प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट, तो हम यूज करते हैं हैज ऑब्लिक हैव, ओके, प्लस V3 हम क्या यूज करते हैं परफेक्ट में, V3 वर्ब की थर्ड फॉर्म प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट। क्लियर स्टूडेंट? सो नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट द sentences. Yes, number one sentence is here. She dash already dash her shop, and verb is given here close. Okay, you know that if the subject is singular we use has. Subject singular है हमारा she है, तो here we write as a has. Okay, so she has already, yes, the verb is here close, so we have to write the third form of the verb close की जो third form होती है वो होती है close, CLOSED. Clear student? Next one, the dog dash a hole in the backyard. Okay, the dog is here. After that we write, we put a verb as a has, क्योंकि हमारा जो subject है वो singular है. So the dog has, yes, verb is here dig. तो dig की जो third form होती है वो होती है dug. So he has dug a hole in the backyard. Number third sentence, Hansa dash to meet her grandmother. Hansa as a singular. Okay, so verb is given go. So verb की third form होगी go, went, gone. So here we write Hansa has gone to meet her grandmother. Next one, dash we dash this picture before. Okay, now you notice that there is a question mark. Okay, so let's start the verb. हम verb से start करेंगे. तो firstly identify the subject. Subject is here we. तो we as a plural है. Plural के साथ हम क्या use करते हैं? Have. Okay, तो firstly let's start the have. Okay, the first letter should be capital. जो first letter होता है capital होता है अपना sentence का. Yes. तो here we write as have. V. देखिए जब भी आप स्टार्टिंग करें WH वर्ड से होगा या जब भी हेल्पिंग वर्ब से स्टार्ट करेंगे तो आप नोटिस करेंगे सब्जेक्ट के अकॉर्डिंग ही आप वर्ब राइट डाउन करेंगे। ओके, जो हमारी हेल्पिंग वर्ब है। अब हम देखते हैं अपनी मेन वर्ब है हमारी सी, तो V डैश, यस, दिस पिक्चर बिफोर, तो सी की जो हम यूज करेंगे थर्ड फॉर्म सीन, सी सो सीन। ओके, next one is here, they dash not dash peacefully since the earthquake that shook Ahmedabad. ये shook मतलब the verb is here sleep. Okay, so firstly identify the subject is here they, so they as a plural we write as a have. Okay, next one, not के बाद हम क्या यूज करेंगे, the verb is given as a sleep की जो थर्ड फॉर्म होती है वो होती है slept. Yes, LEPT. Okay, student. So they have not slept peacefully since the earthquake that shook Ahmedabad. Clear, student? Now let's start the exercise number 4. Yes, in the following sentences, change the verb to the past tense. Okay, we will not do this exercise because this is related to a past tense. We already discuss about the present tense. Okay, so we only do the exercise only a present tense. Clear?